Okay, now it's time to check out the CONCENDO. Beautiful glider. What a gorgeous day to be flying this aircraft today next to the sea with a light breeze. And it is going to soar over those waves like you wouldn't believe. Tide's coming in, so we have to get fairly quick with this one. Everything's set. Make sure the motor's working okay. Oh yes, she wants to pull. Indeed, she wants to pull. There she goes. I bet you could spot some sharks and some fish out here, and whales when they come in springtime. They come in right along the coast. The big humpback whales from Antarctica, which is south of us. And they're going up to, they will be going up to Hervey Bay to give birth. That's their nesting ground up there, their nursery. And down this way, which is with the wind. Turn the motor off, come back. We're against the wind now. So we're flying without the motor. Nice powerful little motor, this one. As you know, the propellers fold back in flight. No flaps on this glider. I wish it had flaps, but it's pretty easy to manage. We're just lining it up along the beach. It's coming into the wind. Oops, there. There she is, she's down. Well, it's rather cloudy day. We'll check out the night Radian. Nice breeze coming in, about 16 knots, and we'll take it up for a flight over the sea with the tide coming in and lots of clouds, a little bit of blue sky around, but quite a nice Saturday here. Into the sunshine that's around today. Plenty of lift and that breeze coming from the southwest. Had a lot of rain this morning. Right now it tends to be a lovely afternoon. Sunday being really nice. how close that tide is at the moment. It's getting towards its high tide level, probably another hour. Coming with the wind now, you can see how far she really goes. There she is. Any rubbish I like to pick up, any plastic especially on the beach. That even collected a bit of seaweed. Isn't that nice? Take up the F4U again. Have to get it up before the tide. Very nice and slow with that wind, right into the wind, come right past us. That fixed undercarriage down, she's flying quite well now. And against the wind again. For a half-flop landing. Whoops there. Hit a stone. Move the only stone on the beach, or one of the only two. Get that. Take her up and see what we'll do it again. Oh, there's the tide, look at that. The ears are coming in. Well, thanks for watching today. Hope you've enjoyed the seaside. Get some fresh air into your lungs, and no matter where you are in the world, you have a great week.